everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 323 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out the e.l.f. Jelly Highlighter in the shade Bubbly that I just got from my e.l.f. website haul. And this only cost $6, which seems like a good price for a really cool, innovative product. This comes in 3 different shades. Comes in like a gold, a rose gold, a bronze shade, I think, and it's cruelty free. All right, let's check this out. Oh, I just took the cap off, obviously for the first time, and it doesn't have any plastic covering. It's a little messy. It doesn't really have any sort of scent to it. I don't know why I just went to smell it, but it just seems so strange. It really does have like the consistency of jelly. It's very jiggly. So I'm just going to, oh my gosh, this is so crazy. It's like it's a little bit sticky. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Oh, beautiful color. I did a good job choosing the bubbly shade. So I do feel like a little bit goes a long way. And it applies liquid, but is supposed to dry down. It really does have like very pretty metallic sheen to it. Oh, so excited to see how this looks on my face. Oh my gosh. Very pretty. I just went in with a very light amount right now, but it still is giving a lot of shine. But I have to build this up. And this says that you can apply it on top of makeup, instead of makeup, mixed in with a foundation. So a lot of different ways to wear it. My favorite way to wear a highlighter, whether it's a cream highlighter, a powder highlighter, is to put it on top of my foundation. And wow, this is blending out so easily, even though it is drying down relatively quickly. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth on the skin. I kind of expected it to be maybe a little bit more textured, but wow, it looks kind of like it's dried down to a powder, but applied like a liquid. It didn't move my foundation at all. And I love the shade of this glow. And I mean, it does look shimmery, but it doesn't look super sparkly, glittery. It just looks more glowy. I'm so happy with how this is looking. Let's go ahead and add it to the other cheek. And for $6, this is a great deal because you only need the tiniest little bit on your fingertip to apply this. So this tub is going to be able to last me so long. And I have large pores on my cheeks, and this is looking so smooth. It doesn't even look like I have pores. So there's just a light, subtle glow, but I also love that it's buildable. Wow, this is so much easier to apply than I expected, and so pigmented. And I'm definitely finding that applying it with my finger is working very nicely. It could definitely be applied with a sponge though, even, I'm sure, a brush. Such a healthy looking glow. And yes, it did dry down, and you can see it's not fading, it's not smudging. It's kind of on my finger now, but barely. That's because I was rubbing at it a lot, so this has really good staying power. This would also look so pretty on the eyes to highlight the lips. Ooh, I'm just going to take a little bit more and apply it to the brow bone. So pretty. Okay, yay. I am loving the finished look here, loving the glow. I'm so happy that this product, even though it seems kind of weird and gimmicky and just trying to be different, it's actually really good. I feel like a lot of times when a brand is just trying to make like a weird product, it's not actually that good. But this is like my new favorite form of applying highlighter. I just love that it's going to stay in place all day long. I love that it's buildable. I love that it's glowy. I think this is like the perfect shade for my skin tone. Really proud of myself for actually choosing the right shade, even though I bought it online. So wow, I highly recommend this. It's not only fun, it's also beautiful. So happy I have this in my collection now. And it has dried down completely. It's not coming off. It doesn't feel like there's a gel on my skin or anything like that. It feels so comfortable. All around great in every way. So I did this e.l.f. haul because I'm going to be filming a full face using all e.l.f. products. So I'd love to know in the comments down below what your favorite e.l.f. products are, and maybe I could try them out in my video. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.